Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Anjali from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I'm here with you to share another Nykaa haul. So I've purchased a list of products and I'm gonna share with you one by one what all I got and why did I get them. So keep watching the video. So the first product on the list is this minimalistic niacinamide 10% plus zinc serum, face serum. So you can include this in your AM and PM routine. So it's good for if you have too much oil on your face, acne or blemishes, pigmentation. So you moisturize your face, do your cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and then you can apply the serum and leave it for a few minutes. So I have been using this for 2 weeks now, and I think it's very good for your skin. I use it at night. I don't like using it in the morning, but at night, and then when I wake up I feel good, and the blemishes and all the pimples that I get have reduced after I have started using this. So yeah, I will recommend that you use it. I have not just purchased it, I have tried it and then I'm recommending, so you can also try this. So the second one is this Khadi mint and aloe vera massage gel. So it's nothing, it's basic aloe vera gel for your face. I keep it in fridge and I apply it on my face to feel a little cool in summers. And if you are doing face razors and everything, so you can apply after that, before that, and it has good results. So I like this one. So this is for I think 200 something, 215. This is only for 250, so you can get this. So the third one is Vega face pack brush. It is for 150 rupees, and I have used silicone brushes as well, so I wanted to try this face pack brush. So yeah, this seems okay. I have not tried it yet, so I'll try and let you know. So the fourth product is this from Face Shop. So the spot patch kit, it is used for pimples, so it avoids you from you can avoid touching your pimples, and it's all your gunk which is there if you have all that pus pimples. So it protects it. You can use it for 12 hours. It has 40 hydrocolloid bands, and it's a good investment, and your pimple will not pop, and there will be not much of a mess. After I purchased this, I got 2-3 pimples like that, and when I applied it 2-3 times, I think it went away and there were no spots. I mean, so I really like this one. I'm using it for the first time and it turned out to be good. So the fifth product is this Laneige sleeping mask. So this is my second or third bottle. I only get small bottles. I mean, I really love the product, but I have never gotten the big bottle. So it's very good if you apply it overnight and you have lip dryness and everything. It goes away in just one application. So it's highly recommended, and I really love this product. This is amazing. It's only for 500 rupees and it's absolutely worth the money. Another product is this Sebamed cleansing bar for normal to oily skin. So I have an oily skin, and I found I have used this once more, and I think this is really good soap. So I am trying to avoid these body washes, so I've been trying to use more soaps lately, and everything I feel is soap is just too oily sometimes. So this one works for me, and you get a lot of dry skin, so it removes that, plus it has a good result. So if you want to go into soaps, you can try this one if you have normal to oily skin, and this is for 99 rupees. Then another product which I got is this Vega Deo set. So it is manicure and tweezer. So I wanted to try a filer and a tweezer to shape my nails and just do a little bit of nail care. So I got this one. I have not opened it, so I want to try this. This is also for 99 rupees. So I'll try this and let you know how is it. This is another product I got. This is Monsab Bio Gold Collagen Eye Mask. This is for 200 rupees. I got it for 75 because of the sale. So you apply it here, and I have used it one more time, I think twice before, and I feel that it gives you a glow since it's a collagen mask. So you keep it in refrigerator and then apply it on your face. So it has a very soothing effect, plus it helps hydrate your under eyes, which are very dry obviously. So do try investing in this one and try to purchase it in a sale, so you'll get it cheaper. So another product is this Nykaa Sealed with Kiss Lip Palette in the shade Bold and Beautiful. So this is how the shade looks. It has nice shades. I'm using one of them right now. This is for 650 I think, and I've got it for 488 again in the sale. And I didn't wanted to buy 5-6 lipsticks, so I tried a lip palette. So this is my first lip palette. I didn't have lip palettes before, and I think they're pretty good, pigmented and nice. So I'll try more shades in this one. Another product, 2 more products I got are face razors. So considering the current time and we don't have to, we cannot go out, and we should not go out for our usual what do you call it, we cannot go out right now considering the times we are in, and it's not safe to step out of your houses. So for your basic grooming, I thought why not buy face razors. So I am going to try this on my eyebrows. So one is from Bombay Shaving Company and one is Bronson. So this one is around 200 and this is for 150 rupees. It has 3 razors. I tried using this one. You apply aloe vera gel and use this one. I think this is a bit sharp. I got hurt here. And the grooming part, I think I personally like razors and I prefer them. I recommend them. They remove your dead skin, plus they are good if you cannot go out. And all in all, I'm a razor fan, so I got these. So if you also want to buy, you can buy them. That's it. That's our haul. That's all the products I got from Nykaa. So let me know how do you like my haul, and do comment below if you have any comments, opinions. Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you like them, and subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.